Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram app is crashing. If the Instagram app keeps crashing, freezing, or closing unexpectedly, so the problem is usually caused by a temporary software glitch, an outdated app, insufficient storage, or corrupted app data. So here's how to fix it. So first is to restart your device. So a simple restart can clear temporary glitches. So if you're using iPhone, you can turn your iPhone off and wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. If you're using Android, press and hold the power button, then tap restart. And then once restarted, open Instagram again and see if that solves the issue. Next is to update Instagram. So you can go to App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram, then install any available update. Next is to force close Instagram. So force closing the app refreshes its current session. So swipe up from the bottom if you're using iPhone, then swipe away the Instagram app and launch it again and see if that works. If you're using Android, you can open settings, go to apps, then go to Instagram and select force stop. Then reopen Instagram and see if that works. Next is to free up storage space. So low storage can prevent apps from functioning properly. You can delete unused apps or files. You can remove duplicate photos or videos and ensure you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of storage. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.